Welcome to Las Vegas Spartan Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Today video, the snake Kung Fu workout for beginners. Let's go! Warm up 10 times, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, great work. Both hands on your knee. Go left and right circle. 1 and 2 and straight. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, perfect. So let's do a little first stance. Let's do first stance stretching. Go a little bit low. You both elbow. Push a little outside. Yes, gently stretching. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. So the turn other side. Put a hand on your hip. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30 seconds. 1. Turn your hand. Flush. Come back to your shoulder. And straight. Attack. 2. Great. And go down. Go open. And come back. Power out. The fingertip. Stick. That's great. Go down. And over. And come back. Both shoulder. Slow. And power out. Great. 1 and 2. Come back. And slow. And push. Go. Power. Great. Go. 1 and come back. Your shoulder. And push. Far you can. And power. Great work. 1 and come back. And push. Very nice. 2 more times. Go over and come back. And push straight and power out with your fingers. Go 1 and come back and push and power. On your waist, big circle, right hand, big circle, come back. And left, big circle, come back and attack. Go 1 big circle, 2 big circle, come back and attack. Go 1 far and 2 come back. Same kind like your shoulder, attack. Go 1 very far, smooth. Very good. Boom. Go far you can and twist your waist and come back and attack. Go far and come back and attack. Far and come back and attack. Great work. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and attack. 1 and 2 and 3 and attack. 2 more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Great work. 20 times jump left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross your hand. Stop your left. First stance. Front. Big head. Stop your right side. First stance. And come back. Continue. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Great. Stay mental level. Go back. Stay flat. Perfect. Go back. And go 1 left and 2 center and straight. Go to right side. Go 1 left center and right and perfect. Go 1 and come back and 2 and come back. 1 and come back. 2 and come back. 1. Now you're gonna put your hand. So cross your both hands on the top and come back to your shoulder. You stuck your left. So slow and push. Go back. Perfect. And cross. 2 this way. And pinch here. Cross. And stop. Same time you go left. Perfect. Go far. Perfect. Up. Shoulder. And attack. Go cross. Shoulder. And go attack. Go cross. And shoulder. And stop that. Go. 1. shoulder, and attack. Go 1 and 2 and go up and shoulder. Go strike. Go 1 and shoulder. The next strike. 2 more. 3. 1 more. Shot and finish. And stop. Put both hands crossed like here. So you go knee up, touch the 3. Go 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and follow. Great. Other side. So cross your hands. You go knee up, same side. Go 3 and 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, that's great work. Now let's follow me. Do the snake strike. Your right hand straight. And you go knee 6 times. You quick that back. So you go 1 and 2. Go 1 and 2. Perfect. 1 and 2. Go 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Great work. 1 and 2. Go 1 and 2. Straight more. 1 and 2. 2 more. 1 and 2. 1 more. 1 and 2. Go power. Same thing the other side. Grab your left hand to side straight. You go knee and same time to right. Come back. Go 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Power. 1 and 2. Go 1 and 2. And 1 and come down same time. 1. The same time your hand and your feet. 1 and 2. Power. 1 and 2. Great work. 1 and 2. Straight more. 1 and 2. 2 more. 1 and 2. 1 more. 1 and 2. Snake strike with the elbow. So get ready. So both hands. Cut. Snake this way. Go right and left and straight and 4. Attack. Left and right and straight and 4 and right and left. Ready and attack. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Get ready and attack. 1 and 2. Get ready and attack. 1 and 2 and get ready. Your body lean this way. Power. 1 and 2 and 3 and power. And 1 and 2 and get ready and attack. 1 and 2 3 and power. 1 2 3. Go in forward. 1 2 3 and start. 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 1 2 3 and power. 1 2 3 attack. 1 2 3 attack. 1 2 3 attack. 1 2 3 attack. One last one. 1 2 3. Boom. Power. Break. 30-second rest. Let's count. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, and 20, and 19, and 18, and 17, and 16, and 15, and 13, and 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll come back. Stay. Let's go. Left and right. Snap. Knee left and attack. Hip down. Get ready. Go left and right and 3 and 4 and get back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and get ready. 1, 2, 3. Kick and come back. 1, 2, 3. Kick and come back. 1, 2, 3. Kick and come back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and come back. 1, 2, 3. Kick and come back. The last one. 1, 2, 3. Open your hip. Great. The other side. Get ready. Go right and left and go. Go kick and come back. Go right and left and stop and kick and come back. Right, left, jump and kick and come back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and come back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and come back. 1 and 2 and 3 and kick and come back. Right, left, jump and kick and come back. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise snake hand and also your face. Let's go. Right hand and left hand and cross. Left thumb and right on the top. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. 5. Come back. 1, 2. Attack. An arrow. Come back. 1, 2. And attack. An arrow. And cross. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 3, 4. Come back. 1, and 2, and 3, and attack, and come back, and power, and go, and come back. Come on. 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3. Great work. Relax your hand. Jumping jack 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, great. And switch. Your right hand become palm, your left hand become face. So, go. From the top left, and this one under your palm. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 Come back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and twist. More power. 1, and twist. And come back. 1, attack. And come back. Attack. Attack. Come back. 1, twist your twist. Get back. Good. 1, and 2, and 3. 2 more. 1, and 2, and come back. 1, and power. And come back. Snake cross the leg. Let's go. Put both hands on your waist and cross your leg, heel up like this. 1 and 2, heel up. 1 and 2, heel up. Go. 1 and 2, heel up. 1 and 2. Now we put your both hands to the left side. So you go stop. Once you go cross, you go the other side. Perfect. Go. 1, your hand swing. 2. Go 1 and 2. Perfect. 1 and 2. Very nice. 1 and 2. Great. 1 and 2. And 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Your hand. Follow your hand. 1, 2. Follow your hand. Great. Follow your hand. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Follow me. 1 and 2. And stand up. Go stop. Go 1 and 2. And stand up. Go 1 and go down. Stay center. Go 1 and 2. Go stay center. Stand up. 1 and cross. Go down and stand up. Go 1 and down. Stand up. Go 1 and 2. Go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. That's great work. Snake balance. Follow me now. 45. Cross your hand and open. Easy. Go 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1. And you go back. Okay. 2. Go. You lift up and go cross. Go 2. Go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. Go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Great. Let's switch side. Cross. Open. Cross. Open. Cross. Open. Cross. Open. Cross. Open. Open your knee. 1 and 2 and 1 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Come on, 1 and 2. One more. One, stay low, 2 and straight. 1 and up and 2 and up and come. You go 1 and 2 and straight. 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 Great work. Two more. 1 and 2 straight. 1, 2, straight. Go the other side. 1, 2, and straight. 1 and 2 and straight. 1 and 2 and straight. Good work. 1, hold 2 and straight. Go 1, stay low, 2 and straight. Go inside, up top and fit here. Go 1 and 2 and straight. Straight more. 1, 2 and straight. 1, 2 and straight. One more. 1 and 2 and straight. 30-second rise. 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, straight, 22, 21, and 20, 19, and 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, and 10, and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, straight, 2, and 1. Welcome back. Snake kick. I'm ready. Stop your left 45. 1 and 2. Kick and come back. I repeat. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Kick harder and come back. Great. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 2 and 1 2. Go. 1 2. Great work. 1 2. 1 and 2 and 1 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 2. Swivel. 1 2. Go. 1 2. One more. 1 2. Great work. Go the other side. Just ready. Stop your right and go left. Go 1 and 2. Come back. Go 1 and 2. Come back. 1 and 2. Come back. 1 and 2. Come back. 1 and 2. Go 1 2. Go 1 2. Go 1 2. Go 1 2. Kick harder. 1 2. 3 more. 1 2. 2 more. 1 2. 1 more. 1 2. So good. 45. You stop your right. You go. Stop and open your both arm and come back. Go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and jump switching. That's it. Okay. Again. Go 1 and you jump. Your hand just follows. Relax. Great work. Go 1 and jump. 1 2. Perfect. Come back. Go 1 and jump. 1 2. Switch your leg. That's it. Go 1. Go 1 2. Switch. Perfect. One more. 1 and jump. 1 2. All right. This time we're gonna do the kick. You go 1 and 2. You kick your right and your right hand on the top. Okay, one more time. Go 1 and jump. 2 and you land like this. You come back. You go 1 and 2. Land. Come back. Great work. 1 and 2. Perfect. Get back. 3 more. 1 and jumping kick. Landing. 2 more. Go 1 and 2 and go back. One last one. 1 and 2 and finish and stop. Thank you very much for following me until the end. Stay healthy and safe. Stay strong. So I see you in next video. 到，同学们再见。